Hi kids, how are you today? Hope you all are excellent. So today I am going to start chapter number 5 and the name of the chapter is Parts of Speech. Today we will learn and talk about parts of speech. So what is the meaning of parts of speech? Now open your book, chapter number 5 and page number 17. Parts of speech. So I will explain first. All words in the English language belong to a word class called the part of speech. Again, all words in the English language belong to a word class called the part of speech. So there are 8 main parts of speech in the English language. How many parts of speech? There are 8 main parts of speech in the English language. So the names are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So now I will explain step by step. So without these parts of speech, we can't speak, we can't learn, we can't write any sentence. Like if I say, I am a boy, okay? Sorry, I am a girl or I am a boy, whatever. So I is a pronoun, am is a verb, this is an article and this is noun. So without these part of speech, can I make a sentence? No. So first of all, I will explain noun. What is noun? Noun used to name a person, animal, place, thing or an abstract idea. Examples: Mohit, John, Ahmed, Amit, boy, girl, country, city, crowd, gold, truth, etc. I am a boy, boy is a noun. She is a girl, girl is a noun. Mohit is a good boy, so Mohit and boy is a noun. Next is, noun is the part of speech that names a person, place, animal or thing. This is a boy. This is a dog. This is the red fort. Next is pronoun. So pronoun is the part of speech that replaces a noun or another pronoun. Examples: he, she, it, they, us, I, you, we, them, etc. Like my mother name is dash. She is very intelligent. My mother name is dash. She is very intelligent. तो हमने यहाँ पर she use किया. She से पता चल रहा है that we are talking about, I am talking about my mother. Next is adjective. So adjective is the part of speech that describes the quality of a person, place, animal or thing. Like Rohan is a small boy. Rohan is a small boy. So small is the quality of Rohan. Next is, this is a big hall. So the quality is big hall. Now Adjective modifies or adds to a noun or pronoun by describing, identifying or qualifying it. Examples: rude boy. He is a boy but he is very rude. Simple trick. I have a simple trick. Quick wit, wonderful journey. So these are the qualities. Next is verb. Verb is the part of speech that names action. Verb expresses actions or states of the subject. We can also say that verbs say what the subject does, what is done to it and what it is. Like, I am jumping, I am reading, I am writing, I am crying, I am laughing. So crying, cry, laugh, run, walk, jump, read, write, these all are verbs. Verbs is, are, was and were are also called being verbs. These being verbs are linking words between subjects and predicates. For example, we are students. So, we is a subject, are student predicates, but are is a being verb here. Okay. Now next is adverb. What is adverb? Adverb is the part of speech that adds more information about a verb or an adjective. Adverb can modify a verb, an adjective or another adverb by telling how, when, where or how much of the action is done. Example: fast, slowly, quickly, badly, happily, truly, early, soon, etc. For example, my dog eats slowly. My dog eats slowly. Next is preposition. So prepositions are used to show relationship between two words in a sentence. It is usually used before a noun or a pronoun. For example, on, at, in, under, near, to, upon, behind, in front of, with, for, etc. For example, we went to school. We went to school. So it is showing relationship between we and school. We, school. We went to school. Next is conjunction. So what is conjunction? Conjunction are linking words that are used to join words, group of words or sentences. Example: and, but, because, either or neither, nor, etc. For example, I like cats and dogs. I like cats and dogs. So, and is a conjunction. Next is, the sky is cloudy but it is not raining. The sky is cloudy but it is not raining. Next is interjection. Is a word that expresses a strong emotion or feeling. For examples: alas, hurrah, bravo, oh, etc. For example, ouch, that hurts. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? So, hi is a interjection or ouch is a interjection. Now, next is mnemonic device for 8 parts of speech. यहाँ पर शॉर्ट फॉर्म है जिससे आप इन 8 पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच को लर्न कर पाएंगे. हाउ? PAPANVIC. So P it means pronoun, A adjective, P preposition, A adverb, N noun, V verb, I interjection and C. So you can learn PA, PA and VIC. P pronoun, adjective, preposition, adverb, noun, verb, interjection and conjunction. Is that okay? So I hope you have learned lots of things today. But the book work we will do in my next class. So till then, goodbye. We will meet you soon and I hope you liked and enjoyed. So take care. Goodbye.